Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online so you can organize your expenses accurately and keep your financial records clean and easy to understand. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the login page, enter your credentials, and click Continue to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start managing your transactions. Sometimes a single payment includes multiple expenses. For example, one purchase might include office supplies and travel costs. Instead of recording everything under one category, QuickBooks lets you divide the transaction into separate parts. To begin, go to the main dashboard. From the left menu, click on Transactions to open your list of financial activities. Next, choose the account where the transaction is stored. This could be a bank account or a credit card account. Once you open the correct account, scroll through the transactions until you find the one you want to split. Click on the transaction to open the Details panel. Look for the Split option and select it. A split window will appear where you can divide the total amount into different categories. Enter each category along with its corresponding amount, making sure the total matches the original transaction. After reviewing everything, save your changes. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.